This is how the liftgate works. The power liftgate can be opened or closed from inside or outside of the vehicle, using the open-close button. Use the open-close button on the crash pad to open or close the power liftgate. The liftgate can also be opened from the luggage compartment. Open the cover and press and hold the button to open the liftgate. If you press the button again while the liftgate is opening, the liftgate stops moving. If you press and hold the button when the liftgate is open, the liftgate closes.
Kia, movement that inspires.